She told me she got COVID-19. She can hardly breathe. I told her she should stay back 6 feet. I'm not the one. Wear a mask, spreading germs all around. She told me she left the skinny jeans by my bathroom sink. I said, girl, wait, don't touch anything. Put on some gloves. People always told me this COVID's just a flu, and the news just putting lies in our hearts. And mother always told me, don't wear just one glove, baby, you should wear two, but the virus comes for you. Hey, hey, hey. COVID-19 has been discovered. It's just a ploy the government uses for fun. So get this out my lungs. It feels like 340 weeks we've been quarantined. I asked my girl, she said it's been 3. What have they done? Stay home, stay bored in the house. So take my strong